Hello everyone, myself Priya K along with Aravindakshan GA, Ajay T, Joybe Mathew have made a face protective gear with Dr. Sumathi as academic mentor and Dr. Mithileysh as industrial mentor. This is a low-cost face shield which is much required in this pandemic situation. Now, let us see more about this in detail. In the current situation, the entire world has been affected by coronavirus. This disease mainly affects the respiratory system. Proper treatment or vaccines are not yet found by any country. Since this disease can be spread easily, we have to protect ourselves from the entry of virus. One of the most important ways to prevent this is by wearing a mask, because the virus can enter our body only through nose, mouth and eyes. Also, World Health Organization strictly recommends everyone to wear a mask. Why we need face protective gear? What is more special about our product? We will get the answers in this slide. The size of the virus is about 0.1 micron. No mask can resist this range of particles. Generally, masks provide a resistive efficiency of about 90%. Also, these masks does not cover the entire face, but our face shield VADX covers the entire face, which reduces the entry of foreign particles. Our product is transparent, non-sticky to the skin and more comfortable to wear. It is also a non-disposable mask, so we can use that for multiple times. The size of the mask can be made customizable according to the face type and shape. The image of the face shield is shown here. Now we will see the reasons why it can be sold for low price. Generally, the high quality face masks that are available in the market are so expensive because of the usage of 3D printer. Another point to note is some masks does not cover the entire face, but our face shield covers the entire face and have a better resistance for the entry of foreign particles, thus making it low cost and effective product. Also, the raw materials used for the face shield are readily available in the market. In this slide, we can see that a person is wearing a face shield. We can clearly see that a face shield is transparent and non-sticky to the skin. Because of this, face shield will not give an irritation feel to the user and can be worn for a very long time. The face shield is breathable, having a less breathing resistance. The face shield is supported by the headband and is made by elastic strap for the better fitting. It is made by soft materials and it is a lightweight product. And most importantly, as said before, it is covering the entire face of him. Hope you have understood the uniqueness and importance of a face shield in this pandemic situation. Making the right choice for the selection of mask is also equally important. Do always wear a face shield whenever you step out of your house. Stay safe. Thank you.